N8n यूज़ करना चाहते हैं एंड प्राइस देखने के बाद आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि ओके फाइन, लेट्स सर्च और लेट्स वेट फॉर द price to go down. Don't worry, today I'll let you know how you can install N8n for free on your laptop and start building the AI agents. Okay, so in order to get the N8n for free, we need to first come down to render.com. Once you have come to render.com, you need to click on get started, which is on the right hand side of yours. So here you'll get multiple login options, so I'll just go with the Google options, and that's your choice what you want to go with. Now I can choose my account with which I want to log in, so I'm already having an account with which I just logged in. And once I've logged in, so first after logged in, the screen will come something like this. So you need to come down to the option called as web services, to click on new web services. After clicking on new web services, you need to click on existing images. Out here we will be pasting our N8n docket. So once I have pasted it N8n docket, so I need to click on the continue, which will appear on the right hand side. After that I can give it a name. So I've given it as N8n name only, and then I need to choose a plan. So out here I'll choose a free plan. The only challenge with the free plan is that there is an issue of spin downtime if the account remains inactive for a very small duration of time. So for this challenge I will be making a new video I'll be covering it in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So after doing this, choosing the plan, we need to click on deploy web services. After choosing the deploy web services, okay, the screen something like this will come, and we need to wait till the time here this done symbol is not coming. It's showing like in progress. Once it is done with in progress, it means our N8n is ready to use. Okay, now as we can see, the thing is live, and yet some more processing is going on, so let's just wait for the entire process to finish. Okay, so now we have detected the new port with the 56788. It means this thing is live now. Once you get a live sign, just scroll a little bit upward, and this is your link from where you can just log into N8n. Click on this link, you'll get a login interface, something like which is about to come. So here it is. Once again, so what I did, I just copied the link and pasted it. So sometimes it may happen that if you're clicking on this link, it's not working. So it's what you can do is just copy it from clipboard and paste it out here, and you'll get an interface something like this. So you have to put down the email ID of yours out here. So I'll put my email ID, and I'll put my name as Kunal, and oops, sorry, I need to put it here, and then I need to put my password. So it is giving me password. I'll put something of my own, and next. So the moment you have clicked on next, you'll again get another pop-up, or you can say another interface where small detail of yours they would be requiring. So even if you wish, you can provide these informations, or you can simply click on get started. Nothing is compulsory. Now out here you can see they are giving you send me a free license key. So this is like license key that will be giving you all the access of the paid version. So don't forget to click on this, send me a license key, and mention the email ID of yours. So on your email ID you'll get a license key. Let's check the email ID of mine. Now I'll get an email out here. Okay, so here's the email. So inside my email I can see my license key is mentioned out here. I just simply need to click on this license key, copy it, come back to my N8n flow. Out here what I need to do is click on these three dots, setting, and the setting, it will be asking you to enter the activation key. Just paste it out here and activate. Once you have entered the activation key, and you can see it's written here license activated. Once this thing is activated, now you are having a full-fledged N8n interface ready to work and ready to make any kind of agents. So in order to get the link and the details, just DM N8n in the comment section, and I'll send you all the relevant informations to your messages. Thank you.